Assalamu alaikum and good morning to you all. How are you? I hope you all are fine and I'm fine too. My name is Rabia Zishan and I am here to teach you English through the online lectures. First of all, we are going to start our lecture and today we are going to do workbook page number 26 and 27. So let's read the statement of this page. On workbook page number 26, let's read the statement. W-O-R-D, word. B-U-I-L-D, build. I-N-G, ing, word building. What do we mean by word building? Word building means that you have to make a word. You have to build a word by giving some letters. Now we are going to read the statement of this page. M-A-K-E, make. W-O-R-D-S, words. Make words. It means that on this page you have to make some words. W-I-T-H, with. T-H-E, the, with the. F-O-L-L-O-W, follow. I-N-G, ing, following. D-I, die. G-R-A-P-H-S, P-H-S, digraphs. What do you mean by digraph? Digraph means when two letters join, they give a same sound. They give a same sound. Whenever there are two letters, you will mix them and they will give a same sound. D-I, die. G-R-A-P-H-S, digraphs. What do you mean by digraphs? Digraph means when the two letters join, they give a new sound. They give a new sound. Whenever there are two letters, when you will join them, when you will mix them, they will give a new sound. Let's read the first digraph. What is the sound of A? And what is the sound of I? E. When A and I combines, it gives the sound of A. It gives the sound of A. You have to build a word that contains these two letters, these digraph. You have to write a word that contains this digraph. That will come A and I in the center. You can write any word like rain. What are the spellings of rain? R, A. When A and I combines, it gives the sound of A. R, A, N, rain. Similarly, you can write train. T, R, A, N, train. Now let's start writing. R. What is the sound of R? R. And which digraph is this? A. When A and I combines, it gives the sound of A. R, A, N, rain. You have built a new word R, A, N, rain by using this digraph. Again, you can write any other word like train. T, R, and this digraph gives the sound of A. T, R, A, N, train. You can also write any other word like instead of rain you can write main and instead of train you can write brain. Now moving on towards the next digraph, A dash E. What do you mean by this digraph? It means that it will be having A in the center and E at the last. You will write those words that are having A in the center and E at the last, like fame. F, A. You can see that A is coming almost in the center. F, A, M. And I told you earlier that when E comes at the last, it has no sound. F, A, M, fame. Look at this. A is coming in the center and E at the last. A dash E means the digraph, the words should have A in the center and E at the last. You can also write any other word like same, name, tame. Same. S, A, M. Same. I am going to repeat these digraphs. A, I combines, it gives the sound of A. R, A, N, rain. T, R, A, N, train. Again, A dash E means A in the center and E at the last. F, A, M, fame. E at the end, E has no sound. Same, same. E at the end, E has no sound. I hope that this diagram has been clear to you. Now we are moving towards workbook page number 27. Okay. WORD, word. BUILD, build. ING, ing. It means again on this page you are supposed to build a word. Word building means you have to build a word. You have to create a new word. MAKE, make. WORDS, words. Make words. WITH, with. The FOLLOW, follow. ING, ing, following. DI, die. GRAPHS, digraphs. Again you have to make a word by using these digraphs. And I told you, what do you mean by digraphs? Whenever there are two letters, when they combine it, they give a new sound. The first digraph is O. What is the sound of U? When OU combines, it gives the sound of ow. When OU combines, it gives the sound of ow. So you have to build a word that are having this digraph. Like OU combines, it gives the sound of ow. Out. Whenever you play cricket, the umpire says out. And how will you write out? Ow. OU combines, it gives the sound of ow. Out. Again, you will make a new word, shout. Sh. When SH combines, it gives the sound of sh. Ow. When O and U combines, this digraph gives the sound of ow. Sh, ow, t. Shout. When OU combines, it gives the sound of ow. Out, sh, out, shout. Now we are moving towards the next digraph. When OW combines, it gives the sound of O. You can make any words like bow. Boys used to wear bow. O. When OW combines, it gives the sound of O. Bo. O. Whenever you stand in a line, you will say it is a row. Row. I am going to repeat these digraphs. OU combines, it gives the sound of ow. Out. Sh, out, shout. When OW combines, it gives the sound of O. Bo. Row. I hope these diagrams have been clear to you. You have to do this page according to the instruction of your teacher. Thank you so much.